Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to automatically share Instagram stories to Facebook. Easy guide. So the first thing that you need to do is to log in first onto your Instagram account. So make sure you're onto the right account already. Right after, let's scroll here so that we could go ahead and add in a story. So you could choose any photo that you want or you could capture it here just like that. Now, to go ahead and automatically share this onto your Instagram stories together to Facebook, here's what you need to do. So you'll need to click onto this arrow here onto the bottom part, and here onto the sharing options, you'll have to click onto that. As you can see, it will ask to share this to Facebook, click on continue. And right after, it will ask you which account you want this to connect. So you'll just need to go ahead and click onto the right account for that, click onto continue, and then right after, it will just go ahead and ask you some things, or it will go ahead and click onto continue. So right after, you could choose also your birthday for that, click onto continue, and you could go ahead and read all through all the details on adding your Facebook account or connecting this to your Instagram. So you'll just need to go ahead and click onto add, and you'll have to wait for that one. And once you have successfully connected that, it will ask you to always share your post stories or reels to Facebook. You could choose to do that so that it will automatically share this, or if you want to manually do it, you could just simply click onto not now. But for this one, to share this, you could try share once and then right after click onto share again, and it should go ahead and share it onto your story as well as onto your Facebook. So if you click onto this, an indicator that it has been shared to Facebook as well is if you click onto this, it has been shared to Facebook. And that is how to automatically share Instagram stories to Facebook. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.